I'm sorry, girl, but it's time for you to get your license plate bracket. Wait a minute. There's got to be a better way. Yep. All right, guys, all kidding aside, nobody really wants to drill holes in their new car's front bumper, so we're going to utilize the recovery hook port on the front of the car. So we're going to start by pulling out the little protective cover. Then you can take the bolt, use a 3/4 inch socket, and start threading that in. Snug that up just a bit. You don't want this coming loose. Then you're going to slip the bolt through the front washer, then through the bracket that allows it to swivel, then the back washer. Now, I really suggest using thread lock here just because you don't want this coming loose. If this comes loose, your license plate's going to start swinging all over and it's going to destroy the paint on the front of your car. So better safe than sorry, use some thread lock. Link is in the description. Now just snug up this bolt because you want to be able to move that back and forth while you're installing. Some more thread lock on these small screws that attach the plate. Now, I've already tested this out with multiple holes. You want to use the ones that I'm showing you in this video because they won't interrupt the front parking sensors. If you use any of the other holes for mounting, it's going to activate the front parking sensors and it's going to drive you insane. So use these 4 lower position bolt holes. Now, unfortunately for me, I lost one of the screws, so I'll only be using 3. Now you can swivel the plate a little bit to get it to your liking. And now you really want to lay into this screw because it's critical that it doesn't come loose. Put the license plate bolts through the little plastic washers. Attach your license plate, and then on those plastic washers you can attach the little plastic covers for a cleaner look. And here's the finished product. It was a pretty easy install, about 15-20 minutes in total. Hope you guys like my Bort license plate. You can see it sits nice and flush to the bumper, as close as I would want it to be without worrying about it. And I can confirm that the front parking sensors, which you get on the SEL and limited trims here in the US, still work and there's no errant readings. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. I still prefer the look of the bumper with no license plate at all, but we'll see. But as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Take care.